Hello everyone. For this video tutorial, we will be discussing about dependency injection. So first, in the last video we discussed the create and manage objects, or we got the idea of inversion of control. Wherein, yeah, we we had the XML configuration. Now we will proceed in the dependency injection, which is the primary functions of the Spring container. This one. So uh, aside of inversion of control, we have the dependency injection inside the Spring container. So dependency injection. The dependency inversion principle. So basically, it is a client, or the client delegates to calls to another object the responsibility of providing its dependencies. Meaning, um, we need an object has a dependency. For example, um, sa to ang gibuhat is simple raman kay gitawagan na to dito ang soft drink products o dry good products. So kaning example butangan nato ni siya og each class na to, which is ang soft drink product ug ang dry good product, butangan na to og discount service, which in kwaon na to ang get discounts, or mag-implement sila ni nga interface para maghatag og implementation nga get discount sa each. So na sila ilahing nga discount sa duha ka product. So dependency is the same thing as helper objects. So Ni kag helper objects dili mabuo ang kaning class, no, or kaning kaning class dili ni siya mabuo kung wala ni siya nga get discount. So kaning get discount makuha na to ni diri sa discount service. So mo ni siya ang ginatawag nga helper objects, kay since dili siya ang main, but dili siya main nga class, but kinahanglan siya sa main aron mabuo ang kaning product or ang kaning class. So, injection types. There are many types of injection with Spring. We have two: the injection and the setter injection. So, kaning constructor injection, basically kanang mag new instance ka sa class, and setter injection kanang mag getters ug setters ta. So, matakol na to ning duha sa tong next video. We also have auto wiring. So, kaning auto wiring, same ra gyapon siya setter so getter, but kuan lang siya, naka-annotate lang. So ato nang ma-discuss yapon sa sunod nga video. So basically sa to ang code structure natay app, right? Natay app, then gitawag na to ang products. Then pagtawag nato sa products, depende kung sa nga product. We have soft drink product and dry good product. So ana siyang mitabo. Bali magbuhat ta og discount service as a helper object sa to ang soft drink product o kaning dry good product, wherein ato siyang i-inject either setter or constructor. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.